If you've ever needed to adjust your sources or scenes in OBS, but didn't want to have to awkwardly do it live in front of your viewers, or want to check the appearance of a scene before switching, then Studio Mode is going to help out a lot with this. This will allow you to make your edits in real time and only show the changes when you're ready. So let me just show you how it's all done. For starters, I do have this little crappy demo scene set up just as a demonstration. Your scenes probably won't look this bad, hopefully. From the main screen of OBS, hit the Studio Mode button. This will now split your current view into 2 duplicate views. And don't get too discouraged, this is actually a lot simpler than it seems. The view on the left is the preview, and the one on the right is the live view. So this is what the viewer is currently seeing. And we have a couple transition options in the middle, which we'll get to later. We can now edit the visual elements, the sources, on the preview panel on the left, like we could before on the single view, but notice how the live view isn't changing. We can make all the edits we want on our preview without the viewer having to see them. You can also use this to change what the active scene is displayed, so you can edit it as well, in case you want to switch to a different scene, but maybe there's some sensitive information on it and you want to change it. When you're ready to update your live view or show a different scene, just select one of the transition options placed in the middle. The main transition button at the top is actually tied to the scenes transition over here on the display on the left. We can click over here and change what our transition will be. And then hitting the button will have us use the selected transition. You can also add these transitions as quick transitions using the plus button. Now we can swap between any of our scenes that we have and have them looking exactly how we want them to, without having to have your viewer watch as you edit the stream layout and kind of drag things on a bit, or prevent any spicy information from being revealed unintentionally on a different scene. Definitely give Studio Mode a try if you haven't already. It helps to add just a little bit of tidiness to your presentation, and takes the guesswork out of whether or not the scene you're switching to even works. But anyways, if you found this video to be helpful, please leave a like, and consider subscribing so you'll know when I upload a new video. I know this was sort of a pretty basic coverage of the Studio Mode, but I do think that it is really important to figure it out because it's pretty powerful. But yeah, I'll catch y'all later.